Is your laptop not turning on? If you're pressing the power button but nothing happens, don't worry. In this video, I've shared the solution to fix this issue and explained how to get your laptop working properly again. Watch till the end for a step-by-step guide. Here you can see that the laptop is not turning on even when you press the power button. It's completely unresponsive. If your laptop has a non-removable battery, meaning the battery is built inside the laptop, you'll need to carefully open the laptop using a screwdriver. Be gentle and avoid applying too much pressure while opening it. Once opened, you'll see the battery inside. Locate the battery wire or connector. In my Dell laptop, you can see the battery wire connector right here. Now carefully use your hands to gently pull the connector upward to disconnect it. Take your time and avoid applying excessive force. After disconnecting the battery, press and hold the laptop's power button for at least 1 minute. I've held the power button for 1 minute, and now I'll reconnect the battery wire. Again, do this carefully and avoid using too much pressure. Once the battery is reconnected, press the power button to turn the laptop on. After turning it on, wait for 1 minute and then connect the charger. The first time you perform this process, it may take around 5 to 6 minutes for the laptop to fully power up, and the screen might take some time to display anything. So stay patient and give it a moment to start functioning properly.
ओके गाइस बहुत अच्छा हुआ, लैपटॉप ऑन हो चुका है।